Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. Today we have a laptop from a customer and it is a Lenovo laptop. Model number is T440. It's a business series laptop and it is not turning on. So today we are going to repair this laptop. Let's see if we can repair this laptop. As per the customer said that board is not turning on. But when we plug the power cable, we see the the board is turning on and the display was not coming. So we cleaned up the RAM and we placed it, and after that when we connect, the display is coming. But here what's happening is, when we connect the keyboard, nothing is happening. Like, it is not taking, the keys are not working when we connect the keyboard. As you can see, nothing is happening. When we press Ctrl R delete, that is restart, it is restarting. But when we try to go to the BIOS, nothing is happening. And the second time the light also is not glowing. As you can see, the light is not coming. Even if I press caps lock or num lock, nothing happens. But if I click Ctrl R delete, it is restarting. So what we suspect is there might be issue with the BIOS. The BIOS is located below this plastic here, and since customer says the power is not turning on, the power is turning on now, display is coming, but this is the problem we are facing. So in this case, what could be the problem? As per my understanding, either the BIOS is corrupted or there is a issue with the chip itself. Now you see something has come. The BIOS has come and the numpad also is working. See? We will try to enter the BIOS once again. No, it is the same thing. Nothing is happening. And suddenly it came to BIOS. So maybe there is a issue with the PCH itself or with the BIOS. So first thing we will do is, we will program the BIOS and we will check it out whether the problem solves or not. If that doesn't solve our problem, we will replace the motherboard finally. We have done the programming of this BIOS. Just now we did it. It is a 16 MB BIOS file. Okay. Now we can test it. Let's connect the DC. So it is on now. Okay. So as you can see, it is taking now. Now it has come to the BIOS. It is performing normally. So guys, it was a easy fix. Hope you have learned from this video. As I explained you, it was getting stuck on the BIOS screen itself, and it was not moving further. But now what we need to do is, we have to save the date and time, and we have to put the CMOS battery, and we have to save it. So let me change the date time now. आज डेट क्या 16 नहीं. So we have changed the date now, and we will connect the CMOS. Make sure the CMOS is having the right voltage. Okay. So CMOS has been connected, and now we will save it. So it has been saved now. Now you can see it by reconnecting it. So as you can see guys, second time we have turned it on, and it is going to the BIOS. Okay. So hope you have learned something from this video. We keep making such videos. If you want to learn laptop repair or regarding tech and tricks, please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.